Over the last week, we've been really busy here at Raw Garage. We put a new custom wrap on the Tesla Cybertruck. We're saying goodbye to a couple of my favorite cars. We're working on the skid steer, fixing busted mufflers, and customizing work trucks. First up, we're taking delivery of the new skid steer attachment.
It's gonna be interesting. The pallet's all messed up, so we're gonna try and drag it out of the truck this way.
Y'all wanna run across Bern Lake with this?
Yeah, sure. We've got another one we drove across the pond out front. All right, so you may be wondering what the heck that was we just unloaded from the truck. Everybody's familiar with what this is. It's a shop room, but our driveway is dirty, and this is not really an efficient way to sweep the driveway, considering how much driveway we have. So this is basically the world's largest broom. It attaches to the skid steer and actually has a hydraulic motor on it over here that spins a huge brush inside of here. Massive brush, 72 inches wide, that spins and collects all the dirt and debris on the driveway back in a bucket back here. Let's get this frame off right here and I'll hook it up to the skid steer. Right here are hydraulic connections to run this hydraulic motor right here, which is what actually spins this brush, then gives me control in here to control how fast the brush is going.
While Matt hooks up the auxiliary hydraulics, let's go inside the garage and say one last goodbye to my favorite Lamborghini Countach. We've had great memories with this car and some horrible ones.
Matt was driving it and accidentally smashed it into a tree and caused tens of thousands of dollars of damage.
But it's time to let someone else enjoy it as much as we did. Before we load up the Countach for good, let's check back on the skid steer.
I think this one looks like it just
Fits in.
packs.
Oh, yep, it just slides on. Yeah, we got spin.
Matt's doing his best to try to figure things out. It's got it spinning, which is good. I don't think we can figure out how to make it spin faster.
Oh, there it goes.
Now that we got the brush spinning, let's give this thing a shot and see if it cleans like it's supposed to.
Now it's time to go dump.
So I mean, just in a couple of short minutes, we cleared all that gunk off the driveway. It's a bit of a learning curve to get it to sit at the right height and angle, but I'm starting to get the hang of it. But it's pretty cool. It works really well. It's just like a giant broom dustpan combo. So sweet.
Now let's check back in on the Countach. It's time to load it up on the trailer for good.
Accidentally smashed it into a tree and caused tens of thousands of dollars of damage.
The Lamborghini is off to its new home, but we still have a lot more work to do this weekend and not a lot of time to do it. Let's set the clock and see how many projects we can complete in under 90 seconds. To start, we're adding a RAR Garage decal to the Ranger, but first we have to shine it up. We're also giving the RAR Garage work truck a fresh oil change.
You gotta take this and go get a new one because it calls to replace the drain plug every time you change the oil on 250s.
Now that the Ranger's cleaned up, it's time to add the decals. With the old oil filter out, it's time to pop in the new one.
Yep.
One decal is done on the Ranger, now we just have to do the other side. And just like that, we got a brand new RAR Garage Ranger.
This is 5W20 is what the owner's manual calls for a 6.2 liter V8. Check number 2.
There you have it, a new decal and an oil change in under 90 seconds.
This thing's not supposed to sound like that. Let's find out what's wrong. Alright, so this van's a little old. It's got another issue. The exhaust is leaking. Sounds kind of cool, but on production days, this thing's out there interrupting everything. It's super annoying, so we're going to see if we can fix it. The top of this muffler here got a massive hole in it. You can't really see it, but the whole muffler is just blown apart. Alright, so that's a really simple problem. It just needs a new muffler, so I'm gonna go order that really quick and we'll pop it up. Okay, so I've got my new exhaust pieces here. They finally came in the mail. These are what's gonna replace the rusted out muffler on the media van. I'm gonna pop these in and she'll be all quiet again.
While Matt works on replacing the muffler, we gotta get my Porsche detailed because it's going to a new home. The wash is finished, and now it's time to take the Porsche in the garage to detail the interior. But first, let's check back in on Matt.
There you can see that hole a little more easily. That's why the van was so loud. Nah, it won't be interrupting any production days.
The RAR Garage Action News van is all fixed up and ready to go. Now it's time for the Porsche's final send-off. I've owned this Porsche since 2018, and it's important to try to get as much money as I can for it. So that's why we need to clean this thing up, make it look amazing so we can get top dollar for it. Another day, another car being either bought or this time sold here on RAR Garage. Guys, this is the first car I ever purchased brand new. I've had it since 2018, since the very beginning of YouTube. It's been through the Virginia Share the Love house, to California, to Team Our House #1, to house #2, to house #3, all the way back across the country for a second time. We had it wrapped Tiffany blue, we had it wrapped bubblegum pink. Now it's back to its original color white, and this is the last time we're ever see it. We're gonna ship it off. Super easy to sell, but now it is time for it to be gone. And maybe I'll use the money to buy yet another car for the RAR Garage channel. So guys, comment down below of what I should do with the new budget that I have, because we could literally buy anything. I'm thinking maybe a yacht for the pond. That'd be so fun.
She's leaving.
Now that the Porsche is off to its new home, it's time to wrap my new Cybertruck. Let's take the car to the shop. About 1 week later, it was ready to go.
Eyes, whatever you want.
Whoa, wow. That color is crazy. Oh, wow. They put the yellow on it. That's cool. That's a great touch. Ooh. Did it always have that on there?
I don't think so.
I don't know. It looks cool. Maybe that's the Cyber Beast thing.
Oh.
Okay, so the backstory to this is Steven and I did a YouTube challenge on his channel, and the winner gets to steal the other person's Cybertruck and do whatever they want to it. You broke my truck. You owe me a new one. You gotta give me yours. You broke it.
How did I break it?
The tire's flat. I want to go and drive. It's like stuck. Steven won the challenge. He stole my truck. It's been gone for about a week or two. We just got it back now, and he completely customized it with this metallic blue like wrap job. I think it's so fitting for the Cybertruck being like stainless steel. It kind of looks like it looks like metal. Like the truck it looks like we made the metal this color.
The best part of this is that it looks 10 times better than Steven's Cybertruck.
You like it better than the
Oh
other
my
one?
gosh, yeah. Dude, it's not even close.
Wow, that new blue color is sick. Comment down below if you like the original stainless steel or the new blue wrap better.
All right, so we sold a couple of really cool cars, but we also bought a couple of really cool cars. Stay tuned for more rare, ridiculous vehicles, and make sure to like and subscribe to RAR Garage.